This is a tutorial for The Sound of Music, this time as a piano accompanist. So we don't need to play the melody in the right hand. Somebody sings it, and we will play the chord in the right hand, and the root note of the chord down low is a bass note. So I'll show you the chords here. We're going to start with the F chord like this, C, F, and A on the top. The hills are alive with the sound of music. There's an E chord, B, E, G sharp. Music with songs they have sung, C, F, A. Or you can do it like that. Songs they have sung, A, C, F. For 1,000 years, there's a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. A C7 chord, G, B flat, C, and E. The hills fill my heart. There's an F chord, A, C, F. With the sound of music. There's an E chord, G sharp, E, B, E. My heart. There's an F chord, A, C, and F. Wants to sing. There's a B flat chord, B flat, D, and F. Every song, there's a C chord, G, C, E. And then you add that B flat to make it a C7 chord. It hears, there's an F chord, A, C, F. My heart wants to beat. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. My heart wants to beat like the wings. There's a B flat diminished seventh chord, which is G, B flat, D flat, and E. The wings of a bird, that's a F chord, A, C, F. It flies from the lake. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, D. 2, that's your B flat diminished seventh, G, B flat, D flat, E. To the trees, F chord, A, C, F. My heart, B flat, wants to sigh, B flat diminished seventh, like a chime, F, that flies from the church. That's a G7, G, B, D, F. On a breeze, there's a C chord, G, C, E. F chord 2, A, C, F. To laugh, there's your B flat again. Like a brook, there's B flat diminished seventh. When it trips, F chord, F, A, C, F. It falls over stones, B flat, on B flat diminished seventh. It's way, F. To sing, there's a D minor chord, A, D, F. Through the night, there's an A minor chord, A, C, E. Like a lark, D minor, A, D, F. Who is learning, that's a G7th, G, B, D, F. To play, there's a C chord, G, C, E. C7, G, B flat, C, E. I go, there's an F chord, A, C, F. To the hills, when my heart is lonely, there's an E chord, G sharp, B, E. I know, that's an F chord, A, C, F. I will hear what I've heard before. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. There's a B flat minor chord, F, B flat, D flat. My heart, there's an F chord, A, C, F. We'll be blessed, A minor, A, C, E, with the sound of music. There's a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. G minor, G, B flat, D. And I'll sing A minor, A, C, E. Once, C7, G, B flat, C, E. More So those are the chords. Once you've got that down, it'll take some work, but once you've got that down, the only thing you need to add with the piano is the root note down low. So when you play an F chord, F note down low. When you're playing an E chord, E note down low. When you're playing a minor chord, A, and so on. It's always the note the chord's named for. So work on it, hands alone, then put it together. When you're all through, this is what it sounds like. The hills are alive with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of a bird that flies from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze, to laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way, to sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before.